Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. Now you guys know it's protective style season and I'm a fan of cute and simple. So today I thought I would just show you guys how I get my fake curly bangs. If you're the type of girl who wants bangs or you like the idea of bangs but you do not want to cut your hair, then this video is definitely for you. Alright, it's a very quick and simple hairstyle as I said. So without further ado, we're just going to jump right in. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also thumbs up this video. I would really appreciate it. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. Alright, so since it's a protective style, it really does not matter how you start off with your hair. As you guys can see, I'm starting off on dry, crusty hair that is very old. This is actually a braid out, but the problem is it's very dry, so that's definitely a no-no. So we're just going to go ahead and just prep for this style. Alright, so I'm going to begin by sectioning off this part in the front. And I'm creating kind of like a triangular shape right above my forehead area. That part is going to represent my bang, and I'm using a triangle because it's going to make your bang most discreet and it's going to allow the hair to fall right over your forehead, which is exactly where you want it. So I'm just going to separate that section and just secure the rest of the hair out of the way. So for my bangs, I'm going to begin by detangling the hair first. We want to make sure that there are no snags or knots in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and just section off a part to kind of braid that down. I didn't choose to braid, I actually flat twisted it because it really doesn't matter. As long as you get the hair to lay flat, that's all that you really need so that you can go ahead and put the curls on. So I'm kind of doing like a spiral twist just so the hair lays as flat as possible. Once I get to the end of my twist, I still need to get rid of that excess hair. So what I'm going to do is take my crochet needle and just kind of pull the hair through and through so that it lays flat. It's very simple, even if it looks complicated. It's very simple, guys. Just pull the hair through so that it's flat. It doesn't matter how it looks because all of this is going to be covered by the curls anyway.
Understand why I chose to do what I do, to make a changes, I'm making moves, so just know I'll do it.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my curls. These I pre-curled myself. This is just kinky hair, the same kinky hair I basically use for almost all my hair videos. All I did was just cut them into some short lengths and just rod them and just hot water them, and that's all I did. So I'm just gonna add these to the bang section of my hair, which is in the front. Once you've installed all the hair, you're gonna go ahead and clip or trim the ends so that they don't look frayed or trashy. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim them a little bit, and then I'm gonna move on to my ponytail. Now for the rest of my hair, as you guys can see, as I said, it's very dry, so we want to kind of condition it a bit. I'm taking my Miracle Hemp hair oil just to add a little bit of shine and also a little bit of softness. Going in with my olive oil eco styler gel, my favorite gel of all time, I'm going to take that all the way around my edges, and this is going to help to lay the edges a bit. Of course, this product works best on wet hair, so I would advise you wetting the hair before. So as you guys can see, I'm just brushing that up with my smoothing brush so that it's nice and sleek. And then I'm going to go in with my edge control, which is the Argon oil edge control from Creme of Nature. So I'm going to apply some of that to my edges and brush it in also. Now it's time to form or ponytail. I'm lifting that hair as high as I can. I'm trying to make it very smooth and just very small, if that makes sense, because as you guys can see, my hair is very thick. So once I form my ponytail, you can actually leave it like that. The puff and the curls, you know, it's a complimentary thing, but we're gonna go on and move on to the top knot. So as you guys can see, all I'm doing is wrapping the hair around and tucking it under a little bit, not too much, because if you tuck it under too much, it's going to form a donut bun, and that's not the one we want. So I'm just wrapping and tucking a little, and then I'm going to secure it with some elastic bands. Then I'm just going to do a little bit of tidying up with the brush, slick down some baby hairs, and then I'm going to move on to tying it down so that it sets in place. I'm just taking this large scarf to tie the hair down.
me can ever repair you out of all of the songs when me
Now I let that sit while I do my makeup. Usually by then it is done and ready to be removed. So here is the finished look. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you do try this, do not forget to tag me. I do have a makeup tutorial for this look. I'm going to leave that linked in the description bar and also on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.
why I chose to do what I do. To make a changes, I'm making moves. So just know I'll do it all for you. Mamselle, you are the queen for true. Yeah.